13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Well, Colton, it seems like we're getting a break from the snow, at least for a little bit, but there is some fog in our area.
Yeah, that's for sure, Lauren. That fog will continue right into the morning commute tomorrow as well, so make sure you give yourself a few extra minutes tomorrow morning, as the fog will probably be dense across much of the area as a warm front moved through earlier today, bringing us some warmer temperatures, and we will be even warmer tomorrow. That's why our 13 weather ball is red. We do have warmer temperatures ahead. We'll be back into the low 40s tomorrow, so our snow will continue to melt, and it's also blinking bright. We do have a rain and snow mix in sight for those that live north of Grand Rapids, especially near US-10. Dense fog, though, is the big story over the next 24 hours, especially overnight into the morning commute tomorrow. Rain snow mix, especially near US-10 throughout the day tomorrow as well. Maybe bringing 1 to 2 inches of snow near Big Rapids. Will be dry, though, here in Grand Rapids, and then a wintry mix, possibly icing for everybody by the time we get to Wednesday evening. Live look in Kalamazoo, though, visibility only a quarter of a mile. You can see it's pretty foggy out there. Wind chill values of 28 degrees. Similar case in Grand Rapids, a pretty foggy evening out there. Visibility generally less than a mile for everyone across West Michigan. You can see half a mile in Grand Rapids, a quarter mile in Kalamazoo. It's a little bit better near the lakeshore as they do have a onshore breeze right now, but I expect everyone to have limited visibility throughout the rest of the night. You can see timing out that visibility, it might get better at least in the short term, but by the time we get to the morning commute tomorrow, widespread visibilities less than a mile, maybe even less than a quarter mile, so very dense fog is possible for much of us throughout the morning hours tomorrow. It will get slightly better during the afternoon, and by the evening commute, most likely back to near normal visibility. That's because we're in between a warm front and a cold front, which means winds will start to die down overnight tonight, but there's another system out west that will eventually get here tomorrow morning, bringing a rain-snow mix for those that live near US-10. So if you live in Big Rapids, Ludington, expect a wintry mix tomorrow. But if you live south of there, we'll likely just contend with the fog. Timing that out, you can see this is 9 a.m. tomorrow. Like I said, Big Rapids, Ludington, probably seeing some rain and snow throughout the day tomorrow, but that quickly moves out of here by the time we get to the evening commute on Monday. And then going into Tuesday morning, the clouds will start to break at least somewhat, just leaving us with mostly cloudy skies on our Tuesday, although we will be colder back down into the 20s. Like I said, we're not expecting a whole lot of snow out of this. Generally, north of Big Rapids could see 1 to 2 inches of snow, but if you live south of there, no snow is expected at all tomorrow. We'll just be dealing with the fog. And then our attention turns to another system arriving late Wednesday into Thursday. This could bring us freezing rain, so we are definitely watching this system closely as it moves into the Great Lakes region, so that could impact us with some icing before cooler temperatures wrap around this system going into Thursday. Right now, though, temperatures generally around freezing, slightly warmer than freezing as you head to the lakeshore, with most of us at least seeing some fog outside. That fogginess will continue right into the morning commute tomorrow. Temperatures warm overnight and we'll be back to near 40 degrees by the tomorrow afternoon hours, so a warmer day is expected throughout the day tomorrow. But tonight, temperatures generally in the low 30s, and we have now seen a dense fog advisory issued for everyone. That is just now coming out from the National Weather Service right now. Around freezing, points to the north, so maybe some black ice with freezing fog off to the north tonight. Grand Rapids to the south generally holding in the mid-30s overnight. Your 13 on your side 7-day forecast. So as we will be dealing with morning fog tomorrow, rain snow mix near US-10 throughout the day tomorrow as well. And Grand Rapids will just be dry, cooler on Tuesday, and then maybe some freezing rain late Wednesday into Thursday morning with a cold weekend ahead of us as well.